Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infinity of Nashua. Today we have the 2018 Nissan Murano SL. This one, of course, features the 3.5 liter V6, 260 horsepower, 240 pound-feet of torque, made to the Xtronic CVT transmission. This is the original window sticker for it. Total price, when new, of $41,095. I always love using the stickers. People rag on me all the time. Oh, you don't know the facts and figures of everything? No, when you film 8 cars in a day and there's something like close to 100 cars on the lot, if you really expect me to know the facts and figures on each and every one, yeah, no, I'm not going to. Infinities, yeah, I'll know a lot of that stuff off the top of my head because I work at Infinity, but I won't know cars like this off the top of my head. I just won't know it unless it's a Challenger or a Mopar product. I know a lot of that stuff. Potential spam. Well, if it's important, they'll leave a voicemail. That's my train of thought. This one has gorgeous interior color combo. Oh yeah. 360 camera. Let's go for a drive. Does this one have... No, I don't think it has that. Some of the CVTs, they have a button on them where you can press it to engage sport mode. I don't think this one has it. Why is my phone going off like crazy now? I don't get it. Yeah, this thing is just overall super comfortable. What is this? This is probably based on the same platform as the Pathfinder, which obviously is based on the same basic platform as the QX60, not the new one. So it drives similar to those, but it's also a little bit different. I should say it's basically like the Infiniti QX50 and the QX55. Yeah, underneath they're the same, but they drive similar, but they also drive differently. That's basically what this is. How should I don't know. Alright, how about this? Ford Escape versus Ford Bronco Sport. Yeah, the platforms are the same, but they drive very differently. Well, I shouldn't say they drive very differently, but they definitely drive differently. They have different characteristics.
Yeah, these things are nice. I love driving the Murano. It's a fun vehicle, especially in this spec. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.